In this video, I want to show you how to add a private or a hidden channel to your Roku TV. To do this, you need to access the Roku website from your PC. So I'm gonna switch to screen recording to show you this. Open your web browser, and in your web browser, go to Roku.com. You need to sign in with your Roku credentials. So click on sign in. When you sign in, hover over this icon here and then click my account. And here you need to click add a channel with a code. To get the code of the channel, you can Google it. So here I Googled the unofficial Twitch TV code, and this is the code, which is Twitch TV. So put the code here and then select I'm not a robot and then click on add channel. You'll get a notification from Roku that you need to be careful because this is an unofficial channel. If you're okay with this, click on OK and then click on yes, add channel. And this is another notification saying that this is an unofficial channel. So I'm gonna click on I agree here. Of course, feel free to click on I agree, or feel free to not install the channel if you don't want to install it. So now I'm gonna go to my Roku TV and show you how the Twitch TV unofficial application was installed. So let me turn on my Roku TV and let's see if the application was installed. Give it a moment. If it wasn't installed, you can simply refresh your Roku TV. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So here we need to search for the Twitch application, and you see it is not installed. So this is what you can do if you don't see it here. Go to the home screen and then go to settings, go to system, and then go to software update and force an update. And you notice that it added the unofficial Twitch TV. So now you can find it here, and this is the application. Make sure to leave me all your comments and questions in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions and all your comments. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.